This place says breakfast lounge. I feel like I'm at a diner. This is grilled pork neck or shoulder.
Not the neck. Can they order pillow?
Yeah, we need a pillow.
I need a pillow.
Good morning, awesome, beautiful people. Paige and Chuck here on our final day of this adventure here in Khon Kaen, Thailand. Had a great trip so far. You? Yeah. We don't really know what we're going to do today. It rained pretty hard most of the night, as you can see, but the temperature is really good right now. We're just probably going to do what we have been doing, chill. And get prepared to get back home to ThatPhanom. We didn't do the breakfast at the hotel. Breakfast is good at the hotel, but we decided to just walk around and find something which we've never done here. Looks like a couple of places were serving breakfast, but we'll find out. Good morning. You can have that stuff on a stick.
A mobile breakfast.
Might be too early. I don't know. It's 7:48.
Yeah, normally they're like 8 o'clock. I just walk around.
Yeah. Very happy with the laundry service. Here comes a vehicle here. Well, this place says breakfast lounge. Maybe this is where we need to be. Looks like they have rice soup. Let's go check it out. That's pretty cool. I feel like I'm at a diner.
Feel like a baby.
Well, we actually pretty impressed with the menu. Got a decent, looks like a decent burger. I hope so because
The picture look good.
yeah, the picture.
Yeah, they got wagyu beef burger. Mushroom Swiss burger.
Well, we decided to eat a big breakfast and a big lunch and a small dinner, but we ordered a small breakfast and wow, okay. Looks like a large. Well, that was really good. If we come back here again tomorrow, I think we get one plate. Maybe some little thing on the menu and have one plate. Because that was, me and you could have definitely split that.
And this is
Well, it was very good, very good.
like a steak, potato, and beef.
Oh,
Really different.
yeah. We'll definitely have to try it out again one day. Macro, for real. It's a very, very busy 7-Eleven. Normally they have a couple of them around here, but the municipality people come here. Maybe they just started this project. Looks like an archaeology, you would say that site. And all of these people over here come 7. I'm surprised this place is not full of like food carts and stuff everywhere with all these people here, you know?
They won't allow you to have.
I see.
You can be in front of the toilet.
Well, I had a great golf game. I'm sitting at the pool right now. I've never been to that course before and had a really, really good game. I shot under a 90. Had a little interruption with a group of Thai guys that wouldn't let me play through, and I just told my caddy I'll go around them, and then they got angry because I went around them. So I don't know. Maybe I don't know the Thai golf etiquette. It doesn't matter. I didn't say nothing. I just kept going my way, but they ended up passing me. So like, whatever. I don't care. I played really, really well today, but me and Paige were sitting by the pool. The only problem with this spot is all of that noise back there, but I saw a lady here yesterday with the noise canceling headphones. I thought that's a good idea, but I have a set. I tried out, Daz gave me a link to the ones he has. It looks really, really good, and I've ordered them and they're already at the house, but we're just sitting here by the pool and there's nobody here, just me and Pookie. And an ice cold beer. But go to the deep.
You want him to jump again?
Yeah. Cannonball. Again. Isn't it funny? You can have a random competition with a stranger. He said he's from Germany. So, okay, let's have a cannonball competition. Got some Songkran shirts. We're gonna go outside, have a early, well, not super early, 4:50, almost 5 o'clock. Just a light dinner. I didn't have lunch today. Very relaxing day today. I walked actually 15,000 steps today.
Only 1,000.
Not too many people. What day crap? Today's not Friday, it's Thursday. So what day crap? This is a grilled pork neck or shoulder. It's Kho Mu Yang. Kho is a neck, but really it's a shoulder, right?
Really a shoulder.
Yeah.
Not the neck.
Fried sea bass with garlic. Well, the band is gonna start. He always gets here early and then the other members show up. This little place here, I don't know why, just reminds me of some place in Florida with the coconut trees. I guess just the ambience, you know, except it's a quarter of the price. Well, the band is playing, all the members are here, but they're putting us to sleep. I'm seriously about to fall asleep.
Can I order pillow?
Yeah, we need a pillow.
I need a pillow.
Paige says this is like a song from when I was in second grade, huh?
Yeah, most of the song they play.
Yeah.
I was a baby and I was then I know how to speak and listen to that song. You know?
Anyway, look, tomorrow we are headed home to ThatPhanom. It's Friday. I think that's a Phalang song. Anyway, we're gonna get home to the Mafias and Khao Gam. Yeah, that is a Phalang song. I tried to get. I asked him to play Johnny Cash the other night. I would give him a tip, but he didn't do it. Whatever. I asked him, "Do you know this?" He goes, "Oh yeah," but that was it. Anyway, come with us tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed our little adventure here in Khon Kaen and the river. I guess the River Road adventure. We'll see you guys tomorrow in ThatPhanom. Bye.
Know what he's singing.
I don't know either. We're gonna go, actually before we go, we're gonna go back to that same restaurant we went to this morning and split a breakfast.
Oops, what are they doing?
Huh? They're buffing the floor. Let me show them how to do it. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.